Hi guys, thankful that you're here with us today. And as I think about the Calm Kit, the one that really resonates with me the most is the little lavender sachet, because as I take it and smell it, the scent of lavender naturally just seems like a calming scent to me. And so the way that I would use this lavender little sachet is that I would work on slowing my breathing as I'm sniffing the lavender. And so if you want to do that with me, just close your eyes, and I'm just going to take a couple of deep, slow breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again slowly. Exhale. Let's do it one more time together. And exhale. All right, let's blink our eyes open together and talk a little bit about why this works for me, and I don't know, it might work for you as well, is something that we always have on our person is our breath. And so when a situation arises or our emotions kick up, or that is something that we always have present with us, is that tool of breathing. And so I love this, and that we can combine that with our breathing in and out, slowing our heart rate, clearing our thoughts, and then this the lavender just adds another element to allow us to kind of calm our senses. So I hope this one is something that you try and see if it works for you. All right, thanks.